Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove widgets in WordPress. All right, let's begin. To start clearing unwanted widgets from your WordPress website, you first need to log in to your administrative account. Once you are on your homepage, locate the Customize button at the top of the screen and click it. This opens the customization sidebar where you can manage your site's layout. From this menu, select the widgets option, and then you will see a list of all active widgets, including default items. To delete these, simply click on the specific widget you want to get rid of. Click on the three dots for more options, and then select delete or remove. Repeat this process for every widget you wish to hide from your site. Once your sidebar is clear, make sure to click the Publish button at the top to save your changes. Your website will now appear much cleaner without the default clutter, giving you full control over your layout and design. So that's basically how you can remove widgets in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.